Jamaican national bad word bloodclaat.
People, as a Jamaican, as a black, proud bloodclaat man. You understand me I say? We have a national tree, a national bird, a national anthem, every bloodclot national thing. But we don't have a national bloodclot word, which is bloodclot. Then Fred say to me, I will say it because the bloodclot, Fred, if you acknowledge it. You understand me? Reason being why I said this bloodclot is, if you see 3 or 4 black bloodclot Jamaican, somebody tell about what I can about bloodclot station. He go and go some bloodclot way like bloodclot this. Cream out with the blood clot a go on. When the bumbo clot last time, you see bumbo ass clot, blood clot, baby. A blood clot, baby, when me bumbo ass clot, blood clot, $5,000 from blood clot last week. No, me can't see blood clot, baby. But anyway, me catch blood clot, baby, I went busting blood clot head. And you go station and tell them me blood clot do it, call me a blood clot bad man. How the blood clot them a try do? Get me blood clot out. I'm going to murder them blood clot. And run away. Go Mexico and tell them about them blood clot in a Spanish. Muy bien, gracias, Spanish blood clot all. So don't fuck around me. Give me fucking money. As a Jamaican, we are one blood clot people. To blood clot.